If you guys have got any ideas of mattresses that you would use, please put a please put a link or tell me what it is in the description. Not description. Oh my gosh, I can't say this stupid thing. Can you believe I'm having another hard time?
Yes. Hey, another morning in the Gordon house. He's just ridiculous all around. Look at him. He is searching for the remote control. And he's the one who turned on the TV this morning. And he's sitting over here. He pressed something and the TV went to static or whatever. So he's changed the connection station. And he's blaming me like, oh, you took the remote. I'm like, you can search me. I don't have it.
Okay. I'm gonna look under the couch or something. Maybe you're right.
And he's going all crazy. Does every man do this go crazy for the remote control?
Look, TVs don't just switch to channels that don't exist by themselves. If I was sitting on it, it would be something else. It was crushed between the couch and then something happened, something else. But if I can't find it where exactly it was, that means she took it. She tried to be slick, and she took it. You know what's gonna happen? You know what time of day it is?
I did not take anything. No, that's just down here, hanging out.
Yeah, you took the remote control.
Like, just laughing at his daddy, like, daddy's crazy. Looking for the control of his couch. Daddy's crazy, huh?
Oh, it's funny because I was actually watching that thing.
Well, you can rewatch it. It's a YouTube video. It's not like it's a station where it's just going to turn off and it's
But see, the thing is when someone's messing around.
I'm not messing around. I was doing my own thing.
Why are you here helping me get the remote control?
Why should I help you? I was
because
vlogging.
you know exactly where it is.
I was in the other room. Like,
Man, be careful with women who try to be slick. They're not that slick. Especially when you know.
I was in the other room taking care of my pet, feeding my tortoise.
Yeah, I'm sure you were.
Yeah.
You got it in here somewhere. Like
I don't. And that's good. You just take your foot. He's even looking in the cabinets. Look at this.
Yeah, because you know what? When someone's trying to be goofy, they do things like that.
Yeah, you're being goofy.
Let me look at my purse.
You're being goofy for real.
Okay, fine. I'll buy it for now. No, we don't have no remote control for the
It's
TV.
in here. It's in the living room somewhere because I did not touch it.
Okay, sure. I'm just gonna sit down now.
You just being so calm during this whole thing. How you doing? What you doing? You want a roll over? I help you out. I'll move this out the way.
Alright, maybe you weren't guilty after all.
Where was it?
Don't worry about it.
It was on the side of the couch.
No,
That's where it was.
Actually, it wasn't. Hey, can you step out the
Where
way?
was? Tell me where. I would step out the way. Tell me where it was.
No, I'm not telling you where it was because you should already know.
No, I did not. I did not have anything to do with that.
What are you doing?
Tell me where the control was.
I'm not telling you
Admit that you was wrong.
Okay, I was wrong. But it shouldn't be turning by itself. That's pretty odd.
What you doing, baby girl? I moved that out Daddy's way. Yeah, I gotta go wash your bottles. Yeah.
I'll put it where I can see it, right where it's at. No screwing women mess around. I'll go back to my Jamaican broadcasting program. Thank you very much.
Alright, Mommy's gonna wash your bottles. Yeah, because you need to have clean bottles. Yes, you do.
We're at a monumental stage in the life of our daughter, of ourselves. It's one of those days that, you know, how it goes for parents. It's time for me to put together our Lorelai's crib because her bassinet, which she was living in, she has defeated it already. She's now 26.5 inches long, and she is crushing the space. So she's like stretching out, and she likes all this, and she's getting bigger than the bassinet. You know, so here it is. Our parts. One of the best things that happen to people, you know people with kids. They have things that they donate. This was donated to us. Donate's not the right word, but they were given to us. They're friends of ours. and I guess they donated to the cause, you know. So parents usually stick together. That's a good thing. And we'll keep it in good health so that when it's our time to pass it on to another family that might need it, they will have it too. But this is what I'm tasked with doing. Oh my gosh, there was a ghost right behind me. There was a ghost right. What are you doing, sneaking up on me? These people are, what? Ask her. Do you think it's right to be snuck up on? Lorelai. Yeah, you. Do you feel it's right to be snuck up on? No, right? No? Okay. Oh, you laughed and you thought it was funny, didn't you? You watched your mom do it.
I need you to fill out the rest of this paper.
Yeah, all right. Anyways, so yeah, that's what I'm tasked with today. Okay, that's how it goes. Let's do this. Let's see if I got the skills. I supposedly say that I work in the industry. Why is she sighing in the back?
Because it's like ridiculous. Everybody knows that you have the skills already, that you can do this. You do this all the time. And you make it a big deal. For what?
I'm YouTubing. Why wouldn't I make it be a big deal? They all do, don't they? They like fall down the stairs. Oh, I just fell down the stairs. And they're like falling down the stairs. So, you gotta interject a bit of drama. She's signing up her divorce papers. Oh my gosh.
These are not the divorce papers. I wish sometimes.
What?
Here.
What?
No, it was a joke.
This is number 2. The other day it was I'm ugly.
This ring is never coming off. This ring is staying on here. Let me put it on really good. See, my ring is staying on really good too.
Oh my gosh.
He doesn't know how to take jokes.
Oh, I don't know how to take jokes.
No.
Okay, wait.
No.
Wait till it's my turn.
No. Well,
jokes.
he joked about, packing up his stuff and telling me what to leave behind and all that stuff when he comes home. Just joking around. We wasn't even Friday or anything. He's so buzzy.
Hey, easy on my fat stomach.
I need to bring this to my mom.
All right, I'll do it. Jeez. Anyways, so let me first build this thing, then I'll sign whatever she wants me to sign. Must be an autograph.
We have Lorelai waiting to go for a walk.
All right. Anyways, so we have fun at the Gordon house. How do you have fun in your house? Okay, almost 40 minutes later. That's what it feels like. But I'll give you after 40 minutes later, here we are. Alright, so last thing is to get a mattress. So we're going to get a mattress. We were looking at mid-range price. It was like $65. It's a Milliard mattress. And initially when I was looking for a mattress for myself, I wanted to get a Milliard because I liked the reviews. It was nice. So I figure comfort sleep is probably a good thing for a baby. It's like a 5 or 6 inch thick foam mattress. So if you have an idea of the mattress you would use that actually I got good reviews, please put a comment in the comment box down below. Yeah, but let me show you what we did. So yeah, got it built. And it is good, it is sound. I was out for Miss Patty here to put it to figure out what she wants to do with this room and put it in here. Because yes, we're actually putting the crib right now for the next coming months in our room. Keep the baby close, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.